Guys, thanks for joining us today. Michael here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1969 Shelby GT350. Beautiful car. Fully loaded too. It's got power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Full matching numbers. Motor, transmission, rear end is matching. Currently has a 5-speed Tremic. Nothing was cut to put it in, and the original transmission is included. All original body panels. Restoration was done in the 80s. Looks like it was done yesterday. I have all the documentation, including the martyr report. All the original certificates from Shelby as well, including pictures of Shelby signing it on the dash and on the air cleaner. Beautiful fit and finish. Chrome and stainless is beautiful. With 7 scoops, functioning ram air in the middle, 4 additional on the hood and 2 on the sides. Very well appointed in the interior. With the wood grain, really sets it off nicely. Integrated roll bar, roll harness. Battery's dead. It runs fantastic though. Matching motor, power steering, power brake, and air conditioning. It's kind of rare to see the manual transmission. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Michael from WeBe Autos. You can call us directly at 631-339-0399. Also check out more pictures, information, details on our website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.